Morning and welcome to This Is a Man's World. I am in London looking at what seems to be quite a creepy job. So why am I in London, or on the outskirts of London? Well, we're pricing up a job for a client. It's a service station. It's going to be turned into Starbucks, I think. And I found it. Looks really creepy. These are the photos, if you can see that. And I can show you. This is the place. The job that I have today is to walk around the site, have a look at the plans of what they want to build, and just make sure that there's no nasties. And what I mean by nasties are like huge trees that can't be cut down, that need to be cut down to allow us to do the work. Any buildings that might need knocking down for us to, again, build whatever we need to build on here. I think the buildings are going to stay existing. We're not really going to touch them. They're going to be converted into retail and petrol station. But this place looks creepy as hell, to be honest with you. So let's go and take a look. Okay, so I'm just going to head in now. It says the site's got security, so hopefully nobody comes and arrests me. Yeah, let's go and take a look. Little visual survey that I'm doing today, looking at the drawings and looking at what the client wants to build. It's actually more of a project management job. So you come to the job before you price it up and you assess if there's anything that's going to cost you any more money or whether it's priced right, and then just get a feel for how the job might go, where you might start. And yeah, it's just basically a preliminary visual view of a potential site. I'm doing more project management stuff now because as the belly grows and the baby gets bigger and it's harder for me to move around, jobs like this are easier for me to do. Wow, if I was doing a horror movie right now, this place would be amazing as a location. I don't know what it was before. It says a bar on the front, but I can't imagine you'd have a bar or a nightclub or anything in a location like this. Okay, so buildings don't look in great condition, to be honest with you. There's a lot of land around everywhere, which is good, flat. No problems with levels here. We're not going to be building up a huge amount or dropping anything down. Let's keep having a look round. Definitely people that have broken into this place. Yeah, the locks are damaged. Doors are open. Place is making me feel really uneasy. I can hear running water inside this building, so just gonna go and have a look. We need to kind of figure out whether these are, I mean, that looks like electric, that's definitely drainage, the manhole for drainage, so we'll be tying in. This all looks good though, flat. Okay, it's like a bog under my feet. There's definitely some sort of running water. Oh wow. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely wet underfoot. Right. Okay. Water is absolutely chucking out. Let's have a look closer. Somebody's damaged the water pipe. Right, okay. Actually, think about this, could be even squatters here. I need to be really careful. Okay, I made a judgment call. I'm not going to go inside either of these buildings. A, because they don't look structurally safe, and B, there could be squatters here. I just reported that water pipe leak to the client because obviously it's completely flooding the floor, and it turns out they do want to use the buildings. So now I just have to keep looking around the second building and see what else I find. You know, you have to be really cautious when you come to places like this of finding like needles or anything, because unfortunately squatters take on abandoned buildings and drug use, etc. So you just have to be really careful what you're doing. Ooh, this place is creepy. Alright, I've had a good look around and happy with what I can see. So trying to make some notes, take loads of pictures. I don't see anything that's going to be a major problem to us building around these derelict buildings once they've been refurbished. So all in all good. Let's get out of this place. Ugh.